G'day everyone. I am going to, well, I should let you know it's the end of the day. Everyone's headed home. I'm about to head home. And I'm starting off this vlog with a question in the last vlog I released, which was from Elliot Bell, who said, when can we get an update on that customization box you've been working on? Because my birthday and Christmas are coming up and I'd like to know so I can tell my family, because, well, Elliot Bell might want to get one. Good news, Elliot Bell. It's about to launch. That's what I've been working on all day today. We've got this gorgeous packaging that we've got together here, and I've been working on some of the promo stuff today. I did a bit of an unboxing, and I'm starting to customize one of the sketchbooks. I'm going to customize a bunch of stuff tomorrow. So I've opened one of these boxes. It's in Studio 2 ready for reveal shoots today. But I have two boxes, and the reason I'm vlogging today is because the other one's just for me to play with, and I know a couple of people who are going to really enjoy it. So I'm going to take this home and share it with my family. Oh, I knocked everything over and it was all in a nice place ready for tomorrow. This one is going to come home with me to share with the kids, and because I love you guys so much, you get the first proper look at the box. We're going to unbox it. It'll just be much more casual than the main channel video. And the first notification. Now, I should let you know right up front that Elliot Bell in particular, or anyone with a very specific and urgent interest in it, we have 500 that we're able to get as out there as soon as possible, and we're really working hard to make sure that that can be before Christmas. Obviously, there are some variables at play, but we're pretty confident. We've been working our guts out, but that is limited to 500 based on various factors, some shipping limitations and some manufacturing limitations. That's why it's 500. We're still ordering a bunch more than that, and they will ship first thing in 2024. I'll have more details for you soon, and they will show on the website, but they will show on the website after those first 500 sell. So now's your best chance. If you want to check this out, go to the website. I'll link to it in the description. I'll put the link on the screen right now so you can see where to go to. And I'm going to take my Customize It kit home now and share it. And you can see how it is meant to be enjoyed, even if by a 5-year-old and an 8-year-old. Oh, and just while I remember and it occurs to me, I should also let you know, even if you get the Customize It kit but aren't in that first batch, you will still be able to join in a bit of competition I'm holding. We have an amazing patron who donated this gorgeous custom special edition Zelda Switch OLED. And rather than, having it or keeping it, I accepted it as a huge thank you and as an opportunity to share that back with my community. So anyone who makes an awesome customized piece of artwork, or whether you customize your sketchbook cover or your laptop or something interesting or creative, this baby is going to go to someone who makes something really fun and inventive, and you can enter that. There'll be a deadline that will extend to beyond just those first 500 recipients, so it'll probably be like maybe in February or something, just to make sure that everyone has time to get their kits and to make their entries. But I thought I'd share that because that's just a really fun celebratory thing that we're going to be doing to get people to get creative and share their creations and have a chance to win something cool. I kept the surprise under here.
What the heck?
It's in this special box. Let's check it out. Do you want to carry it to the table?
It's kind of heavy. For me.
Kind of heavy.
But Daddy, what is in this box?
Well, shall we open it? Yeah.
Open it.
Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
Da-da-da.
What is this?
It's awesome.
What is this?
We have special paint pens. We also have some brushes. It's missing one because Daddy used it at work. Basically, you can draw on anything you want.
So there's what is there to draw on, Daddy?
We've got a special
You can make your own cover to that.
drawing book. Who wants a drawing book? We can share it. Okay.
Oh, everybody.
That was a rookie mistake there, wasn't it? Oh no.
What else have we got?
We've also got we've got a tumbler. What do you call this? A thermos. This is for drinking. But look what this is.
Sunglasses.
This is pretty cool. And
Can I wear
yeah. This is
everything is on.
that looks super cool.
It was weird
We got a pencil case.
That's a pencil case.
And you can draw on all of these
It was
things.
weird and funny when you're like,
No, you draw on the pencil
Yeah,
case.
let me
You're
show
going
you.
to decorate
Let me show
it.
you, Bonnie.
how good do I look?
Oh, look at that.
So,
This is called an infinity
oh yeah,
cube.
very good.
Because you can
It's like
Wow, you already started customizing your pencil case.
Daddy, I know how to use them.
You do.
Do you guys know what this is called?
it.
Customize it.
Jazz's Customize It kit.
B is good at customizing because she can do whatever she wants.
The cool thing is, you can, with this special kit, you can customize anything with permission from Mummy and Dad.
Yeah.
See this? So MJ has this Mickey toy whose nose fell off,
Can I
right?
please?
So I sculpted a new nose, but it needs to be black. You can use it just like you would any paintbrush.
I'm hoping it
Do it
turns
nice
out.
and neat.
And sweetie, can you show us your drink bottle? What did you paint on your drink bottle and your pencil case?
I'm jealous.
It is a very colourful drink bottle.
Wow. Did you do that by yourself? Can you show me? They are so cool.
Bit tricky.
Bit tricky. You're doing a great job. 5-year-old mastering paint pens. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how good you are at that so quickly.
Because I really know how to do it good.
You really do know how to do it really good.
Do you want to do the other side? Do it yellow. Do it yellow
Okay.
for me.
Just like this?
Yeah.
Am I doing it right?
Don't get up.
Don't get it on the lens, on the glass.
Yeah.
Oh, I think we're done. You want to wear them? Oh my gosh, they're so cool! You look so good. Wow, oh, I didn't know you did red in the inside.
And yellow.
Can I wear them? Do I look super cool?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And yellow on the front
And
and then.
yellow and on the front.
Wow.
You did a great job. And your Mickey's fixed. Look at that, good as new. Okay, this is, we just got so wrapped up in being creative that I didn't do an outro to the vlog. So this is me saying thank you for watching. I'm also, just FYI, I'm prepping the promo stuff for the video. So I've customized my sketchbook, which is pretty fun. It's just easy to get lost in the process. These skateboards arrived today, which I'm super chuffed about. So we got the, I don't know, I just get to be a kid and make cool stuff. And then this last one I'm doing is just my drink bottle, because I thought it'd be cool, like for the launch video, I'm customizing a couple of things in the box, but then I'm also just customizing, like I have like a dozen of these around the building. I use them all the time. So it's like a cool example of like, hey, here's a way to customize something that you use and enjoy. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed me sharing that with my family, and I hope any of you who get this are gonna have as much fun as we have had and as I'm having. So check it out. Bye.